Welcome, food enthusiasts. We're excited to introduce you to AFMP, your go-to social channel for an array of healthy recipes inspired by famous cuisines from around the world. Our special focus is on Middle Eastern cuisine, perfect for busy professionals who want to cook at home but crave restaurant-quality taste. With our easy-to-follow recipes and accessible ingredients, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Join us and elevate your home cooking game. Let's dive into it.
Hey everyone! Today, I'm gonna unlock the secret to perfect BBQ chicken marinade. Whether you're a grill master or a backyard newbie, this simple marinade will take your chicken to the next level. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of olive oil, the juice of 2 lemons, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a blend of your favorite herbs and spices. I like to use thyme, rosemary, and a bit of smoked paprika. Trust me, this combo is unbeatable. Grab a bowl and toss in the olive oil. Next, squeeze in the fresh lemon juice. The acidity of the lemon will tenderize the chicken and add a zesty kick. Now, add the minced garlic. You can never have too much garlic, am I right? Follow that up with honey for a hint of sweetness that balances the tanginess of the lemon. Pour in the soy sauce. This adds a savory umami flavor that's absolutely essential. Now for the mustard. Dijon mustard will give it a subtle heat and creaminess. Finally, sprinkle in your herbs and spices. Mix everything together until well combined. Now grab your chicken. Whether you're using wings, thighs, or breasts, this marinade works with all cuts. Place your chicken in a resealable plastic bag or a shallow dish. Pour the marinade over the chicken, making sure every piece is well coated. Seal or cover and pop it in the fridge. Let it marinate for at least 2 hours, but overnight is even better. The longer it marinates, the more flavor it soaks up. Alright, it's grilling time. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Place the marinated chicken on the grill, skin side down if you're using skin-on pieces. Grill for about 6-8 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Pro tip: baste the chicken with the leftover marinade during the last few minutes of grilling for an extra punch of flavor. And there you have it. Perfectly marinated BBQ chicken that's juicy, flavorful, and will have everyone coming back for seconds. Give this marinade a try at your next BBQ, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. Happy grilling, everyone!
In the heart of the countryside, where the sun shines bright, there's an orange orchard, pure golden sight. Rows of trees basking in the morning glow, filled with citrus treasures, ready to bestow. In the beauty of the almond orchard, oh so grand, blossoms paint the air with petals drifting to the land. The scent of spring, a melody for the senses, nature's gentle touch, a gift that never ceases. Fields of gold, endless rows to behold, where the beauty of nature unfolds. From the orange orchard to the almond trees, a symphony of color